There's skin. Right? You can see it's like we're in the same.
Is it the purple thing in the middle?
This right, yeah, that's the tumor.
Okay.
There's skin. Now I think we're definitively in the myelo, right?
Yeah.
There's digastric,
Right.
digastric,
We're taking
myelo in the midline. I mean, we should probably see, that might be geniohyoid we're starting to see down there.
Yeah.
Right, the two muscles that are going from the genio to the hyoid.
Whenever it makes a noise, it's complete.
Yep, it's very fast. It has a very fast completion cycle. There's Juggy. So already there's some nodes that, I mean, they don't look that funny to me. They look pretty good.
Up here?
Yeah, like that,
Okay.
that. So I see the front of the submandibular gland.
And then I think we could have connected this, but I wasn't sure if you wanted to take any of this.
No, the problem is that the facial nerve is in here.
Yeah. This instrument is like pretty efficient for one person, I would say.
Yeah, no, I feel the same way. It's a good. Yeah, also the ability to view into the distance is good here. Meaning, I don't think we definitely couldn't use the ligature up here. It's just too big.
I was looking at like this.
Yeah, this is a roulette. Yes, that right there. That's
Floor.
That's carotid, I think.
That's carotid. Okay.
Yeah, it could be floor, but I think it's actually carotid before floor.